Alright, today I'm going to break a hanger box of 2015 Topps Football. Got this at Wal-Mart. They have a regular hanger box with 72 cards for $10, and then they have this exclusive Jumbo Rookie Relic card one for $15, so $5, and you get a guaranteed hit. Whether or not those would be worth the $5, I don't know, but I thought it was interesting. I thought I would check it out. Over the next week or so, I'll be bringing some bonus videos of 2015 Topps Football. If you haven't noticed, I've been doing like a video every Tuesday and Friday, but I want to get these Topps Football ones up, so I've got this one, and I've got a rack pack, and I've got a jumbo hobby box on the way, so yeah, I'll be bringing extra ones so you guys can check those out. So the card is in the pack, and let's see, I can see there's an orange stripe on it. I don't know who it is though. Alright. I don't know a lot about these. Let's see. I think the blacks are your veterans, and the kind of gray or greenish ones are rookies. So let's see. Eli Manning, Nick Foles, J.J. Watt, All-Pro, Justin Houston, C.J. Mosley, Odell Beckham Jr., Offensive Rookie of the Year, Jadeveon Clowney, Reggie Bush, Owen Daniels, Von Miller, Eddie Goldman, Rookie, Bears Rookie. I guess we're into rookies here. Huge set this year, 500 base cards. Stephon Diggs, T.J. Clements, Lorenzo Muldoon. I think you get like 14 rookies in one of these. Kevin Johnson, Sinquez Golson, Carl Davis, Cole Beasley, Eric Decker, Joseph Randall, Geno Smith, Mohamed Sanu, Eli Manning, New York Jets, Houston Texans, Buffalo Bills, DeMarco Murray, Offensive Player of the Year, Darrelle Revis, Kenny Stills, Terrell Suggs, AJ Green. I don't know what it means when they have a number on them. They're ranked 28. I guess the top 60 in the league, I guess. Eddie Lacy. Fantasy Studs, Julio Jones. Fantasy Studs, Le'Veon Bell. Jonathan Hankins. I think the like all these Fantasy Studs and top 60 and stuff, those are all just part of the base set. So like a player has a couple of cards in the base set. Jeremy Hill, Eric Ebron, Zack Martin, All-Pro. Those are all part of the base set. Aaron Donald, Defensive Rookie of the Year. Alfred Morris, Mario Williams, All-Pro. Now we got some more rookies. It's kind of all over the place in the 72 card pack. Eli Harold, David Cobb, Mike Davis, Trae Waynes, Brandon Scherf, Devin Funchess, Jonathan Stewart, Xavier Rhodes, Devin Hester, Stephon Taylor, Alan Hearns, Cam Chancellor, Zach Ertz, Fred Jackson, San Francisco 49ers, Odell Beckham Jr. There is short prints in this. I don't know if there's a way to know if it's a short print. Mike Wallace, Alfred Morris, Calvin Johnson, Clay Harbor, Earl Thomas, Dez Bryant Fantasy Studs. And these are your inserts here. All-time fantasy legends. Curtis Martin, Fantasy Focus Matt Forte, 1,000 Yard Club Golden Tate, and 4,000 yards Drew Brees. And these are like top 60 credential. These are like players on like throwback designs. I don't know how many of these there are. It's a Julio Jones, TJ Yeldon, the Jaguars. Let's see. Jeremy Hill, past and present performers. Wow, these aren't number 2. Those are annoying. Tim Wright. And then we got a Bears. Could it be Kevin White? Jumbo jersey. Nice. That's a good one for us to hit. The wife will like that one. Kind of a thin card, but it's probably this one or the Ajayi would have been our 2 favorites, or one of the really good picks. But all right, thanks for watching.